Then the next question, which you answered a little bit, but I want to draw that out a bit more. The January LSAT is not too late.
It is not at all for us. Not at all for us. In fact, I should even say our priority deadline, that March 2nd deadline, is a soft deadline. So we will still consider people that take the March and last year even the June LSAT. Now, space becomes tight. Spots are limited. We don't have any idea, like moving through April and beyond, how many spots we might have and what the wait list might look like. But if somebody feels like they still have a better score in them and they want to try in March, let us know. Like, I usually encourage people to reach out to us and tell us that's their plan. And we usually will refrain from making a decision until we get that newest LSAT.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.